Morning, Geeksters. It is Sunday morning, and we had another night of rain. All of the rain catchers are full. We had emptied them out into our handy-dandy rain barrel, and they are full again. We also have a bunch of stuff coming up, lettuce and other things. We use old tubs to house the water that falls. And we should not have to water today. Over here on the other side of the house, we still have a bunch of water. And when I get up to it later, I'll go ahead and pour it into this rain barrel, which is now at about 2/3 capacity. It's been a while, but very glad to have some rain. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you're feeling like it, buy us a coffee. Cheers.